In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Call of Duty Warzone Discord server, which is the best community for Call of Duty Warzone players. Before we dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We would greatly appreciate it. But first things first, in order to go ahead and join this Call of Duty Warzone Discord server, you're going to want to go ahead and exit out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. Now you can do this on mobile or your PC, or really any device. You just need to go ahead and have access to an internet browser, and once you do, go ahead and type in COD Warzone Discord and hit enter. It's going to go ahead and load for just a second, but the very top link right here is going to be the official Call of Duty Warzone Discord server. Simply go ahead and select on, but the third link right here is actually going to be the official Call of Duty Warzone Discord server. These top two links aren't actually official ones, they are just groups for Warzone, so keep that in mind. They are definitely cool communities and worth checking out if you're trying to find teammates and link up with other Warzone players, but if you want to join the official Call of Duty Warzone Discord server, it's going to be this third link that says Call of Duty. Go ahead and click on it just like so, and it's going to load briefly and take you to a Discord invite page, and after doing so, it's going to automatically load you into Discord. Once loading you into Discord, you'll be prompted to accept that invite, and from here, you'll be given the option to go ahead and customize the server to fit the exact needs that you want. So you can change a bunch of stuff on here and it's pretty cool. At the very end, you'll be asked to go ahead and accept that rule page, and after doing so, you'll be able to view every single channel that this Discord server has to offer. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.